Welcome back. So I'm at my new listing. It's 130 Bloomfield. It is on a 21,000 square foot lot. I bring that up because that is enormous for this neighborhood. 21,000 square foot lot. The house itself is around 5,500 square feet under roof, and I'm going to take you on a tour inside and show you these magical gardens in the back. Come on in. So 130 Bloomfield really is a lush tropical garden. We use those words sometimes in real estate, and maybe we embellish a bit, but this seriously is like tropical heaven. We've got an amazing swimming pool. We've got little areas everywhere that if you want to set up a yoga studio outside, or you just want a peaceful place to do your plants and garden, we have lots of that here. We also have the most incredible she shed, if I'm going to steal somebody else's terminology, that they have turned into a really lovely office as well as a gardening area nearby. First time on the market since its conception in 1958, this stunning Monterey style home boasts 5,439 square feet under roof. The current family has owned this house for 75 years and has truly loved it. The home also features 4 bedrooms and 3.5 bathrooms. It has both a formal and an informal living room, a dining room, an oversized open floor plan kitchen with an adjacent family room for television and fun evenings watching TV. It has an office inside the house, but it also has a really cool, let's just call it she shed, out back, where they have turned it recently into a second at-home office. The first floor boasts the master bedroom, which overlooks the amazing tropical backyard. The addition on the first floor was built in 2004, and that pretty much encompasses the family room, the now kitchen, the master bedroom, its enormous bathroom, and the his and her closets. Earlier in the 2000s, an elevator was added to this property. That elevator goes directly into what is the second master bedroom upstairs. Located in the South Olive Elementary School District, this home is a few homes away from the Intracoastal Waterway, Flagler Drive, fabulous dining, I-95, and the Palm Beach International Airport. If you have any interest in seeing 130 Bloomfield and or taking a tour of this fabulous home, please give me a call anytime. I welcome the opportunity to walk you around this house and show you more of South of Southern. Thank you.